So now you've made it home from your trip, and it's time to take care of your gear for long-term storage. There are a couple of different things that you're going to need to do depending on your equipment. The manufacturer is going to have the best information on this, so it's important that you research your specific equipment and the materials that are used to that to keep them good for longer. So first of all, it's important that you take all of your gear out and let it dry off, especially if it rained or there was a lot of condensation in your tent. If things are left wet, they're going to rot, it's going to be very smelly, and your gear isn't going to last very long, and you don't want that. So be sure you set up your tent out in your backyard, let it air out after that rainstorm. Also take your sleeping bag out of the stuff sack, let all that loft up and air up, and actually leave your sleeping bag out of that stuff sack in storage. If you leave it completely compacted, that can compromise that insulation and make it less warm over time. It's also important that you unpack your entire backpack, take all of your food out, put it away in your pantry, throw out your trash, make sure that there isn't rotting food in your backpack. That's going to turn into a horrible smell if you let that happen, and that's a problem for you because it's unpleasant and it's going to attract animals and make it an unsafe situation in the future. Also, take out all of your dirty laundry, definitely go and wash that. You smell, get a good shower. If you have any merino wool gear or other specialty equipment, there might be some special steps that you need to take in the cleaning of it. It might not be as simple as just throw it in your washer and dryer and it's good. For example, with merino wool, it's important that you wash it cold and then you air dry it so that it doesn't pill up, as they call it. There's going to be different steps to take with whatever different materials you use, so really use your manufacturer's recommendations, research it beforehand. Also, if you have something like water repellent down jacket and it got absolutely poured on, you might have to replenish the water repellent coating. There are also special washes that you can buy for down, but it's really not recommended to use just raw detergent on them. Definitely research what the manufacturer of your equipment recommends. Also, be sure to drain any water out of your water bottles or water containers so that they don't rot. You don't want your Camelback filling up with black mold and ruining it. You spent a lot of money on that. Take some pride in your equipment and make sure it lasts you a while. Also, be sure that you're practicing self-care. You just got done with your first backpacking trip. You definitely deserve a nice warm shower. You deserve a good hot meal, a good shower, and some rest. Be sure that you take care of yourself so you can be going out on adventures for your whole life. Also, it's completely normal to be sore. The muscles that you use when you go backpacking, you don't use every day. So as you condition these, you might feel sore in strange places. Give yourself some time to heal so that you don't give yourself an injury, and go out and try it again. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for watching this series. I hope that you learned something. I know that I have, going through all these processes and actually explaining it. So I hope you've gotten something out of it. I know I have. You have a great day, and I'll see you out in the woods.